Why do river deltas have so many animals and plants? Imagine a big, muddy playground where rivers meet the sea. This playground is full of food and hiding spots. Fish, birds, and plants love it here because they can find food easily and stay safe. The water brings new friends and toys all the time, like a never ending party. But guess what? Sometimes a sneaky crab steals the show by dancing funny. River deltas are like nature's party zone, full of life and surprises. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.